Now start again, please. Start.
Ice particles are really delicate, especially natural ones.
Turn around, please.
If you ever wanted to
Show me the ice.
If you ever wanted to
Show me this.
No.
Okay.
If you ever wanted to see an ice particle, here it is.
Okay, show me.
This,
Show me. Okay.
This is one I found sticking to a amount of snow. I was able to take it off without breaking the whole thing. You wanted to know why? I think you wanted to know why ice particles are really delicate and how they're delicate. So here's the test. I'll throw it down to the ground and let's see what happens. Do you see any difference?
It broke.
Yes. These pieces have been chipped off like a staircase.
Show me.
See? Now, that's why ice particles are really delicate. Some ice is not delicate. Like if frozen drinking water, like those ice. I haven't really tried those, but I tried natural water, like this. And if you look closely at this piece of ice, you could actually see that it has bubbles in it. And another thing that I found is that it also has sticks in it.
It's like a crystal.
You see, it's like a crystal trapping a stick in it.
Oh, there is a stick which got frozen actually.
It's a frozen stick.
Yeah.
Except that it's more like an iceberg.
There is a stick and then there was snow on top of it and then it's frozen into ice now.
Yeah. Now I'll show you where that stick came from.
Okay.
I mean where like think sticky.
Okay.
Come on, let's show you. This is where the stick came from.
Twigs.
It seems like a piece of it just broke off and fell into the snow and got frozen.
Okay. Can you give a kick to that? Give a kick.
Like this?
Kick it.
If you want to see another ice particle, kick it, touch it, or just do something harder. It's not a problem.
Sure, go ahead and kick. No, with your leg.
With your leg.
Oh, it's very hard. Kick that one. Like this. Raja,
And then, see? Another particle.
kick it like that.
But,
Can you kick it like that?
after this. And did you see that this one has 3 sticks long? The long
Show me. I haven't pictured it.
I can take the long one out easily. But the 2 short ones can also be taken out. So no more sticks in this. Still a stick in this. If you wanted to take these sticks out, you have to like punch it with a hammer or something. I don't know. So if you ever wanted to get ice and you try to use your own water like from the sink or something, and your mom and your parents might say no to it, then ask them to come to some place. They say okay, you can go find a mountain of ice, try to break one piece of ice out, you can get these.
Okay.
You can show everyone that you know and probably even make a video of it like I.
Sure. Can you give a kick to that
So
with your leg?
I'll actually try kicking it.
Sure, please go
So I
ahead.
got this one.
Sure. On the top. Straight on the top. On the top. 1, 2, 3. No, kick it hard so that it will break.
No.
So can I kick it? Can I kick it?
Remember the pieces that
Ooh.
fell off? Those are actually
Ooh.
snow. The snow was the pieces that fell off.
Oh.
Now, do you want to get the stick out? The only
Sure,
way
sure.
is to throw it down. If you ever wanted to get something out of a brick of ice, or if you had ever wanted to like break it into pieces and see what's and see what it looks like on the inside? Try this. You throw it down. And if you throw it down on hard places, it works better, Dada. It works better.
Okay. There you go. We smashed it.
No. Now let's try to get this stick out. Shall we?
Yeah.
So.
Just to break it.
On 3, I'll throw this down.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
It's that. Hard surfaces work better to break the ice. So, 1, 2,
3.
3.
Broke off.
Okay, I got the piece of ice. Now do you still see some difference?
Yeah, it became broken.
I broke it. I broke the tip off, so now it looks a little rounded. Still, there's a still, it didn't come out. Now that it's more clearer now, I discovered that there are actually 2 sticks. A very small one and a big long one. Okay, I'll give you a closer look at the ice and tell me if you see any bubbles. Do you? Well, I think you do, and you should, because when I look closely at it, I do see bubbles. You can never get those bubbles out and pop them, you know, because these bubbles are frozen bubbles. They always stick inside the ice. The ice cubes that make it home, they don't have these bubbles. That's because they're not so cold. If it's so cold that you probably find bubbles inside. Cold bubbles, I don't know. Because I never stayed overnight watching these freeze. So, I'm actually going to keep on breaking this rock, just this brick of ice, to see for you to see the stick that's inside. Because that's the only way to get it.
Again.
But this time I don't know where the rock, where the stick is.
Oh, it's really broken.
Really broken and it's really lost. But I'll actually show you the biggest piece. Which is this one, right here. Now it's getting so much smaller. Do you see that?
Sure.
And now there's less bubbles too. Look closely. And do you see any sharp edges? Any sharp ones? I'm sure you would. Because ice that don't have molds are just in the shape you want it to. Ice that have molds, they take it in the shape you want it to be. But ice without molds, like this one, have really sharp edges. They're not even in shape. So, if you want to know the difference between ice and snow, let me show you. First, I had to get some real snow for this. Sorry. Give me that.
Take a fresh one on the top.
Huh?
Take a fresh one on the top.
Yeah. What's that?
Scrape this top. Yeah, that's snow.
It's ice.
No, ice is very hard. Scrape it on the top. Scrape it. Scrape the top.
Wait. If the whole place is covered with ice and you got
No,
any snow at all,
there is snow right here.
trying to do this.
See, this is the snow. Soft one.
Scrape the block of ice like this. You might feel something so soft. I don't feel it now, but
That's what it is. Podu Raja.
no, this is snow
That's snow.
and this is ice. See anything different? With
Yeah, the one is like glittering and the other one is soft.
You see anything different with the
Yeah, I can see.
the ice
The
and
ice
snow?
is very glittery and it's very hard. The snow is very soft and more white.
Yeah.
Whereas the
you're
ice
correct.
is colorless.
Yeah.
The snow is white, whereas the ice is colorless.
The ice is colorless because the ice is transparent.
Uh-huh.
If you look closely at the
Snow
snow,
is not transparent.
the snow is opaque.
Opaque.
Completely opaque because it's white. I mean, the ice is colorless.
Yes.
The other difference between ice and snow is that ice has bubbles in it.
Uh-huh.
Snow does not.
The snow has lot of air in it, whereas ice has water in it.
Yes.
And then
Snow
maybe there is some.
is made of air, but it's not air inside it, I meant.
Yeah.
But ice is made of water.
If you
But
put,
it still contains
there's one
some
more
water
experiment
inside.
we can do. You can drop both ice and snow
Yeah.
and see which one falls first.
Yeah.
The lighter ones.
Now let's see which one falls down first.
See, ice falls first.
Ice falls first, since ice is heavier than snow.
Yeah.
And did you see that?
Because
since I
snow has
didn't
lot of air
just
in it.
throw it down really fast, the ice didn't chip any pieces at all. But the snow, since the snow is so soft, even when you throw it delicately down, it still breaks. So that means snow is definitely softer than ice. But that doesn't only tell you what is softer. Sometimes there's hard snow. Like, go on here, I'll show you.
That's enough, Raja. We need to go home.
It's hard snow because it's white and it's hot. The frozen snow, not ice like this.
Come on, let's go home.
So, if you know so much already, then I think I'll give you a break.
Thank you very much.
So, goodbye. I'll see you next time.
Thank you. Bye. You want to go there and see? Come. Come, let's go. Let's go and come back.
Where's Mama?
Amma is in the car. She's not coming. Come on, let's go. We need to go fast.
Making another video?
Come on.
What?
Come here. Come on, Raja. Don't run. See the path full of ice and snow. Be careful.
Can I make another video? I mean, I have to say something.
You can talk about the Lake Tahoe. Come. Wait. I'll see.
I probably there was this block of ice in the river.
Yeah.
Can you throw it in there?
Yeah.
See how it lands.
Okay. Hey, ரொம்ப எட்ஜுக்கு போக கூடாது. வழிக்கு வந்துறாத.
Listen, Dada. Can I actually take a view of down there? And you know what? This is not really Lake Tahoe.
It is.
Not.
It is Lake Tahoe.
Really?
This is Lake Tahoe, right?
It looks more like an ocean than Lake Tahoe.
It is.
Okay. Here we are at Lake Tahoe. And you might think that it doesn't snow in Lake Tahoe because Lake Tahoe is in California. But, and if you think that, are completely wrong. Because this Lake Tahoe is in a place of California that snows. This is Lake Tahoe. But something so awesome I need to show you, which is
Careful. Don't go very close.
you come over here next to the gate and look straight down. You might be surprised that this lake isn't deep at all. In fact, you can easily see the rocks below. But I'll show you a deeper part of Lake Tahoe. This is the rock that's here. So,
There is a snowman.
voila. And you see some mounds of ice that are some places. Those aren't really mounds of ice. Those are rocks covered in ice. Rocks covered in snow and ice and all that. You can easily see it by the shape. which is sort of like that photo I saw.
Actually, we are losing battery.
So, and if you had ever been in snow, you see that you can see a footprint over here. You see a footprint. Like, watch this now. Well, it's not really clear on ice because on ice you don't see many footprints, but on snow, your feet can get so deep that sometimes your shoe can stuck, but your sock comes out. This has happened to me once. So, I would actually see how this piece of ice here in my hand lands when it reaches the water. So, I'm actually going to throw it down, but sorry if you don't like that idea, but I just want to know. So, come on. Throw it down.
Careful.
So, on 3, I'll throw it down. So, 1, 2, 3. Wow, did you see that?
It's floating.
It's floating all the way.
Ice is floating on the water.
The ice it's a little light, so it floats on water.
Yeah, the water is the heaviest, the ice is the next heaviest, and then the snow is more gentle.
Yeah. If you ever wanted to throw snow down there,
Yeah, can you try?
you may not.
Try the scrape off the top.
I never tried to.
No, do it fast. You know, I'm losing battery. This is snow.
If you ever wanted to try snow, try
that's
snow.
enough.
Here you go. So on 3, 1, 2, 3.
It got melted.
That? Did you just see that?
No, but ice did not melt at all.
It went in there, but it melted. In fact, it broke into tiny pieces.
Yeah.
Well, the ice did melt a little,
But still there.
but it's still there. I mean, part of it is there. When I threw it in, the next moment the ice is floating because ice is frozen water. Frozen water can float a liquid.
Still, it is not frozen. The ice is still. No, it's not melting away. It's still there.
The ice only melted a little because the water might be warm and the ice is cold. So it might work. So
Can we go?
it's like if you also want to make a snowman at
it's going to end right now.
you can't. But you may see a snowman. It is in here. See that? Those 3 mountains of snow piled on top of each other. It's a snowman. 6 arms and all that. You can make a snowman in this area instead of this area because there's real snow in here. It's not frozen. But here, snow is frozen. So you can only make a snowman if you're able to scrape the ice really hard.
Okay, can we go?
So that's the end of the movie. I know it was going to be really fun, but sorry, that's just it. So
Thank you very much. Signing off from Nevada and California border from Lake Tahoe. Say.
Signing off from Nevada, California and Lake Tahoe.
Bhupala, Arul.
My name is Bhupala Arul, and goodbye.
I am from California.
I'm from California.
I am in Nimitz school.
And I study in Nimitz. Well, this movie is going to be played in Nimitz. If you ever want to come to Nimitz, maybe, but you maybe can because I don't know yet. Because I'm not going to school now. I'll only start going on January 7th. It's my birthday too.
So on January 8th, it's going to reopen.
So
Until next time, see you. Bye bye.
So until next time, see you. Bye bye.
Okay, come, let's go.
You know, we should also make a title for it. I mean,
Yeah.
I title. I mean, I don't know any titles. Sorry.
We can make
When we play
Nevada.
When we play it again, I can probably use it.
We can talk about Nevada.
Probably I can call the first one Ice and Snow.
Yeah. Very good.